Every day you say you want to change. Every night you promise tomorrow will be different. But when the alarm rings, you hit snooze, and your future hits pause with it. Right now, your life is controlled by comfort. Late nights, endless scrolling, 5 more minutes. You tell yourself you deserve rest. You tell yourself you'll start next week. But weeks turn into months. Months turn into years, and nothing changes. You feel it, don't you? That quiet frustration, watching other people move forward while you stay stuck. You have goals, you have plans, but your actions don't match your words, and deep down, you know the truth. It's not a lack of talent, it's not bad luck, it's your habits. Waking up at 5 a.m. is not about the time, it's about control. When you wake up early, you win the first battle of the day. While the world sleeps, you move. While others choose comfort, you choose growth. For 30 days, you wake up at 5 a.m. No excuses, no negotiations. The alarm rings and you stand up. Immediately, you make your bed, you wash your face, you move your body, you read, you plan, you build. Even if you feel tired, especially when you feel tired, because discipline is not about motivation. Motivation is weak. It fades. Discipline stays. The first week will hurt. Your body will resist. Your mind will beg you to stop. You will feel slow. You will question yourself. Good. That discomfort is proof you are breaking the old version of you. By the second week, something shifts. You start feeling ahead, calm, focused. You are no longer rushing your mornings. You are controlling them, and that control spills into everything else. You eat better. You train harder. You waste less time. By the third week, your confidence grows. Not loud confidence, quiet confidence. The kind that comes from keeping promises to yourself. You stop needing validation. You start respecting yourself. And by day 30, you are not the same person. You think clearer. You act faster. You hesitate less. You realize the real power was never the hour. It was the decision to stop being average, the decision to stop negotiating with weakness. Waking up at 5 a.m. teaches you something most people never learn. You are capable of more than you think. You just never demanded it from yourself. Imagine who you become if you stack this habit with others. Early mornings, hard workouts, deep focus, less distraction, more action. That is how a man becomes unrecognizable. Not in one day, not with one speech, but with daily proof. So here is the challenge. For the next 30 days, set your alarm for 5 a.m. When it rings, get up. No debate. Move, build, improve. Stop waiting to feel ready. You will never feel ready. Start tomorrow. Not next Monday, not next month. Tomorrow morning at 5 a.m., your new life begins. The question is simple. Will you wake up?